Wave system. Door installation in the doorway with a hidden top track. Firstly, install two boards with a thickness of 16 mm each, and then the double top track at their front edge. The distance to the opening needs to be 108 mm. The double top track should be flush with the boards. Install the double bottom track at 14 mm distance to the opening. Insert the door with the brackets for inner door AFL01 into the double top track. Lift the bottom rollers and lower the door into the groove of the double bottom track. Insert the door with the brackets for outer door AFL03. To adjust the door vertically, tighten or untighten the adjusting screw of the bottom roller. For door positioning, use a top track positioner or a soft closer. You can also check the related installation video, link in the description below. Check the door. It should fit tightly against the walls of the opening, move smoothly and quietly along the tracks.